Hey apples, welcome back to my channel. So today Extra Melanin will be practicing how to do invisible hair. Oh, invisible braids on my hair. So if you're interested to see what she did with my hair, stay tuned and keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Turn on your notification bell so you stay notified every time I upload a new video. You don't want to miss out. And yeah, so she'll just be making the parts coming downwards. I told her I want the style like in the Trollz video Nicki Minaj the other day. This video was supposed to be for Pride Month, but it didn't work out how I expected. So anyway, moving on. So it will be some rainbow braids, and I loved it. And for her first attempt, you'll see, rate it in at the end of the video. Drop a comment and rate it. Let me know how she did. Of course, the first, just practice. The second time, she's gonna, So yeah, keep on watching, guys. Yeah, so at this point, this is when I told her that the people in mass way I do. So you need to kind of step away from the camera, let them see. So yeah, I hope you catch it. But the whole thing around invisible braid, you want like it to be like kind of like just like it's say invisible, like people can't realize. But of course, with this color here, and of course my hair is black, I wasn't gonna color my hair just for this braid. But yeah, so you want to start off small with a little bit of hair, and as you go down, you add as you go down. So that's all she did. And my sister has better tutorials on here explaining how to do it, only that she did it with box braids, but you can still learn from that. So I'm going to leave all the reference videos in the description box so you guys can check it out. So yeah, just keep watching.
Feel my heart, it's beating. All my body's breathing. It's just you and me. Feel my heart, it's beating. All my body's breathing. It's just you and me. I'm so caught in this, we're so lost deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you
guys, we didn't get to show you like we're gonna show you the end product, but we didn't get to show you doing the entire hair because the camera died plus the memory card was full, so we have to transfer over stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy it and learn something, and if you know how to do it, then thanks for the support. Until my next video, guys, one love.